Got a better recoil on this 14 horsepower. So we're going to take the cover off of the starter and take a look at it. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts holding it on. So let me get those off and then we'll take it off. So it doesn't sound good. It sounds like something broke when I was trying to pull it the last time. So here we go. Let's take a look. Huh. Don't see anything. Okay. I think I need a new bolt. Looks like it might have broke off a little bit, but I didn't see any. Of it. Let me get a wrench. All right, so it did tighten. That's good. All right, so we should be back in business. Let me show you what typically happens, has happened before with this, and what to look for in taking this apart. So you got a screw that goes in the center. And you have this little plate, spring underneath. And there's the plastic recoil. That is one piece. I'm not going to lift that off. There is a recoil spring underneath it. But these little things right here will come out sometimes. I think they're called PAWLS, P-A-W-L. I'm not sure if that's the name or not, but they're little wings that catch into the cup that we were just working on, the flywheel cup. And I need a new flywheel cup because there's all kind of metal shavings in there where it's being worn, so it's really not catching very well. So these PAWLS, catch into the little slots in that cup. Too bad I can't show it to you anymore. Yeah, here it is. See it right here. See, it's getting worn, so it's not catching very well. So I need one of those cups. Now the spring here, we need to make sure we got a good spring. But yeah, these guys come out. They go in just like that. Also, what's important is that you put this little plate back on properly, so that the bolt will go down all the way. And what you do is you line it up. These little fins will line up in here. How they line up, like that, just like that, there and there. And we've got a little force because the spring is pushing back. So need to make sure they're positioned in. I'm using my other hand to get it set. Okay, so tightened it down. You don't want to tighten it too tight. tighten it enough so that you got recoil, or tighten it as much as you can until you've got good recoil. Also, these little PAWLS, let's call them PAWLS, they need to be free to move out. If you tighten it down too much, make sure that you're not tightening them down, because they need to fly out to catch into that cup. Okay, so I think we're probably okay. We're going to go ahead and put this back on and try to start it. It's a grass cut. So yeah, this just goes, like I said, this goes into the cup. Cup is worn. I need to buy a new cup. Probably get a bolt with it, hopefully. Put our bolts back in place. Okay, we're going to try to start it. So we're going to try to start it now. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.